What's up guys? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Java and set up the Java JDK on your Windows PC. Java is essential if you're a developer working with applications that rely on it, and setting up the JDK properly is key to getting started with development in Java. To get started, you first need to make sure you have the latest version of Java runtime environment installed in your system. The JRE allows you to run Java applications, and will need it to run the JDK. To download the JRE, navigate to java.com/download, or click on the link in the video description. Here, scroll down and download Java. The installation process is as simple as agreeing to the terms and clicking on Install. Your system will handle the rest of the installation automatically. You might need to restart once Java is properly installed. With Java installed, it's time to download and set up the latest Java development kit, which, as of making this video, is JDK 23. Open up your web browser and search for Oracle Java and press Enter. You'll see the official Oracle website at oracle.com/java. Click on a link that leads to the official Oracle Java page. Once you're on the site, go to the top right corner and click on Download Java. This will take you to the download page where you can find the latest version of the Java runtime environment. On the download page, you will see various options. Make sure to download the Windows version. Typically, there'll be an x64 installer file available. Click on it to download the installer. Once the download is complete, right-click on the installer and choose Open to begin the installation. Go through the setup process by agreeing to the terms and conditions and hitting Next until the installation finishes. You're now ready to move on to setting up the Java development kit. Once the JDK file is downloaded, right-click the file and choose Open to begin the installation. The JDK 23 setup wizard will open. Click Next to proceed with the installation. By default, the JDK will install in the C/program files Java JDK 23 folder. You can leave this as is unless you want to specify a different location. Click Next to continue. The installer will now proceed to install the JDK. Once the installation is complete, click Close. Now that JDK 23 is installed, we need to set up the system environment variables so that Java can run from the command line and other applications can recognize it. First, go to the folder where JDK 23 was installed. This is usually in your C drive under Program Files, Java, JDK 23. Open the folder and go to the bin subfolder. You will need the path to this folder, so click on the bin folder path in the address bar above and make sure to copy it. Next, in your Start menu, search for Environment Variables and click on Edit the System Environment Variables from the search results. In the System Properties window that pops up, click on the Environment Variables button at the bottom. Under System Variables, scroll down and find the entry labeled Path. Then, double-click on it. In the window that appears, click on New and paste the path you copied earlier. Press OK to close all the windows and save the changes. Now that the JDK is installed and the environment variables are set, let's verify that everything is working correctly. Open the commands prompt by searching for CMD in the Start menu. In the commands prompt window, type the following command: Java --version. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a message showing you the installed version of Java. It should display Java 23, confirming a successful JDK installation and setup. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.